Picture this. You accidentally click on a suspicious link that gives a hacker access to sensitive company data. And now the story unfolds rapidly. A hacker steals sensitive information like logins and customer data, causing a break in customer trust due to negative press and leading to a company's reputational damage and financial losses. This is the reality that many companies face if their employees are not fully prepared for cyber attacks. But hold on, there is a solution. Our awareness training programs are the key to prevention. They train your employees to prevent cyber attacks and raise their risk awareness regarding digital threats. Using our methods, your employees will learn to identify phishing emails and dangerous links, making it more difficult for hackers to access sensitive data. In our training program, we demonstrate exactly how hackers operate. Through realistic simulations of phishing attacks, fake websites, and data theft, you will immerse yourself in the world of hackers. You will learn to recognize the signs of threats and effectively implement countermeasures. Prepare yourself to be a hero in the digital world. Book our training programs now. Guard your data and secure the future of your company.